Hey guys, welcome back to Science Skills and Life Skills with Vikhyath Kiran. So today we're going to learn more about CSS. In fact, this is the last CSS video. So today we're going to learn about the last kind of selector in CSS called the class selector. So a class selector is a lot like IDs, just that it has more advantages. So in simple terms, a class selector can be defined as an ID that can be reused again and again. So let's say I have one heading which class ID is my heading, and I have given that same class ID for the label. So that's called code reusability. So here the syntax for specifying an element is dot, and you're going to give the element name. So here it's my heading, here also it's my heading, and I've given the color red. Let's give another property like background color. Let's say we give salmon color. Let's save it and let's see. As you can see, both this heading and the label have been turned to red text color and salmon color background color. So now we can put how many we can reuse this code again and again. So let's say I want to make this specific list. Its class name as my heading. So mostly coders stay away from ID selectors because uh, you'll have to keep giving IDs if you want to be if you want to give a specific property. So it's much better to reuse that same ID. That's why we use the coders mostly use class selectors. It's not that they never use it, but mostly they stay away from that and they use class selectors instead of that. So let us rewind what we learned in this CSS module. We learned what is this. So this is known as marquee. We learned this as a label. This and this are labels. We learned how to make a GIF. We learned more about CSS, obviously. We learned that we can make our HTML page more stylish. Now, the next module that we are going to have after CSS is JavaScript. So after we finish JavaScript, we are going to make a full-fledged HTML page. So until then, until the JavaScript module, goodbye. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.